This is IKEA's Bluetooth speaker NAB30. It comes in simple white box. Item sticker pasted on it. And some information about speaker. Let's unbox it. Manual and power card. It's too heavy. Wow, it's a solid wooden square box with simple knob.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे
I meditate and I never waste time when I celebrate. I'm crazy in the range of the parties over saying we are living in the fast lane. Money anything, no money anything, and we spend it in the fast rate. I ain't never tame on top of the game, and I'm leaving you with last rate. Speed heat like a dragon flame off the brain, and it'll leave you with a bad taste. Yeah, we live a fast-paced life. Challenges are welcome to this game. I am the
घर रेंट पे लेने के लिए आप मेहनत तो करोगे ही, तो करो और फिर सर्च खत्म करो housing.com पे।
सर्च खत्म करो, डाउनलोड नाउ।
तो बेटा कॉलेज तो खत्म हो गया, अब आगे क्या प्लान है?
मामाअर्थ अनियन शैम्पू विद केराटिन जो हेयर फॉल घटाए और उन्हें 8 टाइम्स स्मूथर बनाए। मामाअर्थ अनियन शैम्पू नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं और पेड़ भी लगाते हैं।
We all look at the same world, but we all look at it in a different way. Some just see beautiful lines. We see character. Some see a new motor. We see a new era. Some see what's there. We see beyond. Audi.
Tanya?
I'm Gerhard, welcome to the program. China is picking up the pieces after severe storms left parts of the central Henan province underwater. According to official figures, at least 33 people have been killed and millions.
NAB30. You get a punchy, powerful bass tone, supernatural clear voice, and sharp high treble. And also you can adjust bass and treble volume with minimalistic single knob along with sound low and high adjustment. NAB30. You can buy it from IKEA at rupees 7990.